To me, it seems to be the only logical explanation with the explosive information we have, the library of books that we have, the workshops that we have. It seems to be the only logical explanation why we aren't meeting our objectives, why we're not living our definition of success. We're working on automatic pilot, habit. Now, what do you want to add to that? 7-8% interest rates, COVID, a war, ambiguity and anxiety like I've never seen since I landed on the planet. There's so much conspiring against us, but the reality is, unless we set aside the time to really look in the mirror and ask ourselves what we want out of life, and then to be prepared to pay the price to make the incremental changes to get there, no matter what opportunities come at you, no matter what you're thinking about, you will not be able to achieve it because your programming is going to undermine you. You need to change your programming.